Good morning, good morning, good morning. What is up, JB, Rambo, KT, Sonia, Allen, Boorock, Reverse, Alexis, King Carnage, Purple Mango, Big Lou, Gary, Shaq, Brandon, Sinful, Foul, Mel, Michael, Randy, Kid, Green Candlestick. What's up, Sonia? What's up, Divert, Whiplash, Here for It. What's up, Minnie? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Full day stream Friday. We made it here, guys. Also, I didn't even realize it was like 5 or 6 streams. Maybe it was even more. We've already passed 150 streams though. We didn't even get to celebrate it. So I guess we'll celebrate 200 when that pops up. I think we're at like 155 or 154 or 156. We're like mid 150s now for streams. So shout out to that, guys. Congratulations. We hit over 150 streams. I didn't realize that till like last night when I was looking through the playlist. So that's pretty cool. Good morning though. Good morning. So we'll go through pre-market prep. I'll cover SPY. We'll go through some different individual equities, and then we'll go to the voice chat. We'll just chill with everybody. For real, it feels like we did just hit 100. That's why I wasn't even looking to see when we were near 150. I thought we were still way off. We're already past 150. Real quick though, guys, today is quad witching. Market will be very volatile. If you're trading, please trade light, manage your risk, and just kind of chill. Play your chart, play the levels in front of you. There's no reason to go crazy and just chase everything that moves. Today is not the day to have a bias. Today is not one of those days. I also wanted to send a note so everybody has the quad witching note. I have to go find it, but let's do this first, and then we'll go back and I'll go find that note for y'all. But I really want to make sure y'all have this because it's a really good note to keep. Actually, I think I could just type in quad witching and find it through me. Oh, I found it instantly. Let's go. All right, cool. All right, I'm going to repost something on the trade floor. Damn, this post is from 2 years ago. All right. So I posted the new the quad witching note that I had from 2 years ago in the trade floor, so be sure to review that. But let's go through SPY now, though. So let's go to the bigger time frame first. Go to the daily. Make sure I'm zoomed in. All right. So we had this base, we had that run up, we had the pullback. We all know this stuff. What are we looking at now, though? So we have this demand here, we have demand here. This is just a halfway point of those areas. This was just kind of highlighting the 3 days of support that were really kind of the decision maker to see if we were going to close under and move lower or not, or try to hold it and bounce from here. We ended up closing under, as you can see. Made the move down through demand, made the move down to another demand, rejected this area at first, held a higher low, held a higher open yesterday, pushed through that, which I was actually kind of impressed by that. Testing it at least, okay, I could see that. But trying to sit there and push through it, that was impressive. Hitting 396 yesterday was insane. So now the big thing is, and it's as simple as this, guys. This is what today's trade plan is going to be. You ready? Pay attention. So here we go. So today's trade plan, since we're opening at 392.20s basically, so we'll be about right. We're already through all this, damn. So basically, you want to see if we can try to hold this. So I'm going to mark this low here. But you want to see if you can try to hold 392.30s, which we're literally right at it right now. At this exact moment, we are at that level. If we cannot get over 392.30s, we will be moving down at the open most likely. Let's go back to the open though, and let's talk about what the scenarios are. So we either lose this 392.30s and we have to retest that 391. If we lose 391, we are going to be moving lower most likely. If we end up holding 391, there's a good chance they try to keep us in about $1.50 range before breaking us out higher or lower. So also have the consolidation scenario in your head. But there's also a chance they push through 392.30s, push through, let's add the top level there, 393.65. Let's say they push through that. Then that is now your breakout level. What is your first target, though? It needs to be the high of the yesterday breakout. That needs to be your first kind of area of like, all right, this is where we can possibly head. And then if we break that, we can move higher. So That's kind of what we're watching for the above and the below, just based on a couple levels from the daily time frame. Let me move these couple lines there, and then we'll add this one back. So that's essentially all we're looking for today. Can we hold 391, 392.30s and push through? Can we break 393.60s and actually have the strength to do so and kind of have a move like this where we push it, sit on it, push off of it again? Or are we going to reject and move lower today? So we'll have to see. Ideally, I think I would like to see, just for price action standpoint, I think I would like to see a small red day that sits on top of this area here, like anywhere in here really. I think I'd like to just have a small red day that sits in between here, which we're already kind of getting because we're already opening way down here. We're actually going to be in between this area. So big question is, can we retake this? If not, it's not looking too hot for a new open going into the new week next week. So I think that's what we need to watch out for. But let me know what y'all think. That's for the bigger time frame, and it kind of covers a smaller time frame, but I'm going to make sure I narrow it down here right here. But give me a thumbs up if that makes sense. Give me a yeah, give me a sure, whatever you want to say. If it doesn't make sense, be sure to ask questions. I'm going to go ahead and type it up while y'all let me know. Above 392. $388.40. I guess that'd be a good first target. Let me see what the halfway point is of this. $389.40. Or maybe I'll add that just to be safe. It's quad witching. Don't want to be caught with your pants down today. That's not a period. That's a comma. Just think of it, boo-boo, as a lot of things expiring all at the same time. And I like to always think about it as like the different eclipses that we see across the universe and the galaxies, you know, seeing like multiple planets line up. Think of it like that. A lot of planets are lining up today. We have a lot of expirations lining up today for different time periods during the month, and they all happen to be lining up today, which is not good. Well, I mean, it's just how it works. It's not good or bad. It's just how it works. But overall, there's a lot of volatility. So if you ever look at a contract today and you're like, damn, these are kind of pricey, it's like, yeah, that's probably why. It's a lot of the time why. Again, though, check out the note on Trade Floor. It's free to view that note, so no excuses. I would view that note just to get a good, decent idea of what's going on. I can also pull it up on the screen here in a minute. I'm just trying to finish this. I want to make sure I get this right. I guess I have to say 387. Alright, so we got SPY. Looks like a lot of you guys understand what we're going for here. Good. Your only question is, what is Max paying for today? Let me look it up. I finally stopped being lazy, and I added it as a little tool here, so now I can just click it. But the max pain today is 400. As of right now, it is 400. Which yesterday when I was looking at this, it was like 398 or 397, something like that. When I was looking at it today. Just to let you know, max pain is, I guess we could type it. Alright, let's go through some of these now. Yo, Daffy, thank you for the donation, man. I just saw that. $2.99. I appreciate you, boss. You know you didn't have to do that. I appreciate you. Thank you for being a part of the team. Always dropping these fun little donos here and there just to kind of keep the energy alive. I appreciate you, man. Which I feel like that's why some of you guys donate. I don't think it's to like, oh, Bueller's poor. It's like, no, it's probably just to keep the energy going. So I appreciate that. Sonia was doing that the other week too, and that was really cool of her. Sand dollar as well. There's a few people that do it. It's not even about the money to them. It's just about keeping everybody smiling, keeping the energy going. Yep. Could you drop the website? Yeah, I can give you the website. I'll just drop you the link to it. Yeah, guys, I see the put and call wall. I just didn't feel like typing up a paragraph. I also don't feel like sitting here and explaining Max Payne over and over when it's not even a tool I like to use that much. I just kind of do it for y'all's curiosity. A lot of you guys always ask. I personally think if you look at this, it's kind of pointless. It's like, it's not really helpful to just sit there and stare at Max. Like, it's nice to know what Max Payne is, I guess, but I would never sit there and be like, oh, guys, grab calls, Max Payne's 400. It's like, no. No, you're right. It is a news-driven market. Anybody who thinks otherwise is lying to themselves or just don't know. It's not a bull market or a bear market. We're in a news-driven market right now. I'm not going to lie, I like Apple a lot. Just looking at it for like 5 seconds. 155.30, 156.70. Microsoft doesn't look too bad over 278.87. Could also just wait for 274.60 to the downside. 98.50 on AMD. 96.60 previous day close on AMD. 261.40 on Nvidia to upside, downside just wait on previous day close. Oops, skipped one. Max Payne the video game. Yeah, I wish it was like that. Or do I? Alright, so Amazon looks like just wait for previous day high. That's also a pretty good base level here at 99. You could wait for 98.15 first target. I'd also then target it for a further target, the base of that first kind of retracement here. About right here at 97.15. Apple, Amazon, AMD, those don't look, the A's don't look bad today. Below 182.30s, above 186 on Tesla. Google, we got the previous day high. Previous day close is way up here. I'd still just wait for that 101.20. And honestly, I was going to say pre-market low, but you got a good little retracement here. It's not bad. And that could be like an early level. This could be a first target, or you could just wait for this level. Secondary target could be that retracement there. Meta. Let's do the wick. Previous day opens way down here. Previous day lows. Man, Meta's always got a weird range. Previous day or pre-market low. Where's pre-market high at? This candle here. So they got a decent range to the outer part of their previous day. So if you look above pre-market high, look towards previous day high, previous day close area. If they push through the pre-market low, look towards the higher low and open, as well as the previous day low. So that one's not bad. Might be hard to look at, but it's not bad. Pre-market low, bigger time frame level at 312.50s for Netflix. Yeah, they got a pretty good area of support down here in the 304s. Actually, I'm gonna do what I did yesterday. I'm gonna add them in order of how much I like them. I did that yesterday and it seemed to work out pretty well. AMD. NVIDIA wasn't bad, but since we already have AMD, I'll just leave it there, and then we can just go double check with NVIDIA like we always do in the stream. Let's go back at the top. Microsoft. I kind of liked Google, I'm not going to lie. That one didn't look bad. Amazon didn't look bad. There's just a lot of levels here, so I'll probably delete some of them. Or we can just go to the weekly and cheat. Let's try to do that real quick. Let's just cheat real quick. Ugh. Come on. Where am I at? There we are. Ah, that looks so much better. And there's still 3 levels there. Of course. Alright, so I think I'm going to also go with that. 99. Yeah, that's what we said before. So Amazon. Above 101. That one was kind of quick. Not much to type on that one. Tesla, previous day, supply is between here. Also have pre-market high a little higher. Pretty good support here. Kind of lines up with pre-market low. You got a pretty good reversal from here. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Spy Rewind. I am getting a little bit of lag on my end from the YouTube side. So if anything's too crazy, guys, just leave and rejoin or go back like a couple seconds and it should fix it. But yeah, it looks like we are getting a little bit of buffering from YouTube side. I can't do anything about that. It'll just smooth out and go away over time. Damn, Baba's up like crazy. Boeing Square. AC. Coin and Baba are up crazy today. Small caps are down. That'd be a good thing to keep an eye on. I'm on SPX. I was like, what the heck? Alright, we'll go back. I was just a little curious about some of those weird ones we don't look at as much. I want to choose a new break below for this. Yeah, 200. That first breakout level. Do meta. You picked up one Baba call, you're a legend. I guess I have to do Google. There's so much room on the list still. Above. Previous day close at 100.30s. Oh, but you got pre-market high just a hair higher, so these levels don't matter. Below 99, target 98. For a second, I thought I was retyping Amazon. That's what that felt like for a second. Alright, cool. We completed the list, and we got plenty of time left. Alright, so let's do a copy. Go to SPY. Again, guys, if you are getting some stream lag, just leave and rejoin, or go back like a second or two. Literally, going back just a second helps out. It's not the worst frame drops we've had, but we are getting it. Let me send the list out to everybody real quick. Alright, list is sent out to everybody. You should all have it in the Discord, as well as on the screen. I never say that enough. Guys, I'm gonna be honest. I don't like how the stream is acting. I'm gonna end it and I'm gonna redo it. I'm gonna restart it, but I'm gonna restart my computer. I'm gonna log out of YouTube, sign back in, all that good stuff, to make sure it's at a 100% quality stream. I will relink it on Twitter and the Discords, so no matter where you came from, you will get the notification again. Be sure to just stay on the channel, and it'll reload here in a couple minutes. So right as open's happening, I'll try to restart it. But give me a couple minutes. I'm gonna end it real quick. Don't leave. I'll miss you all.